I've always wanted a cool forearm tattoo. And finally, after 36 years, I got one. But I might have went overboard. He's just bird watching. Just being a couple boobs on a chair bird watching.
It's a perfect day. Come with me. With you and our friends, we'll chase the clouds away. Dancing in the sunshine, living so free. With you by my side, that's where I wanna be.
Look at this view. Oh no. Mama, come back. She lives in there. The boy just showed up. Her husband's back. Wow. So magnificent. He's so magnificent. Magnificent? That's a hard word. But he's beautiful. The husband's back. Look at those colors. Beautiful. Bluebirds are only 7 inches long. He's like 3 inches bigger than I am. Eating that brick of seeds like I'm eating bricks of cheese. The Cardinals back. And he's got company. There's another one. Is that a fucking pigeon? Get out of here, pigeon. We want cool birds. I'm just kidding, you can come. Thick old neck, aren't you? Oh, it's getting busy, boys. It's getting busy. It's getting busy. Well, there's two male cardinals. I wish this fucking thing wasn't in my way. So beautiful, but so ugly. Is he gonna fly down? Come on. Ah, what's that red bird? That's a cute bird. Looks like a female too. I'm eating pork rinds. He caught me slacking. I need to get rubbing alcohol. What if I let it soak and then scrub? Oh. I need a girlfriend.
Call me Mr. Steal, yo, girl, I see a jock. Now she on the damn floor, shaking and I'm watching. Girl, what's your name? Can I get your number? I like all of that, I bet you got it from your mama. Call me Mr. Steal, yo, girl, I see a jock. Now she on the damn floor, shaking and I'm watching. Girl, what's your name? Can I get your number? I like all of that, I bet you got it from your mama. Step this up, all eyes on me. Head to the face with 2 bottles of Dunn B. Girl, she was watching, she was staring at me. So I asked her what's her name, she told me it's Lil D. But have you ever fucked with a crip that love to take trips in the bedroom and make the pussy drip? They call me Mr. Steal, your girl, and I ain't playing. No, the truth in the